In the previous turn, we have discussed about the four kinds of synthetic fiber, that is rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic, and their characteristics and uses. Today we have to discuss in this video about the characteristics of synthetic fibers. Characteristics of synthetic fibers. First characteristics, they are generally wrinkle free. Second characteristics, they are durable and easy to maintain. Third characteristics, they dry quickly. And last characteristic, they are less expensive in price and they are easy to maintain. Besides these advantages, synthetic fiber has some disadvantages also. What are the disadvantages of synthetic fiber? Let us see. These type of clothes which are made up of synthetic fibers catch fire very easily. If the clothes catch fire, it can be disaster. The fabric melts and stick to the body of the person wearing it. We should therefore not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in a laboratory. This means that synthetic fibers are made up of various kinds of raw material of petroleum origin, thence it got fire very easily, and if they got fire, they can be disastrous. The fabric melts at the heating and it get stick to the person body, and severe accidents can be happen. What are petrochemicals? All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin is called petrochemical. Children, you know that first fully synthetic fiber was nylon and it gets prepared from coal, air and water. Let us discuss one activity to understand the soaking quality of water between the natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. To discuss the activity, we have take two cloth pieces of same size, roughly half a meter square. Each one of these should be a synthetic fiber and one should be from natural fiber. Soak the piece in the water in different mugs which contain same amount of water. Take the pieces out of the container after 5 minutes and spread them in the sun for a few minutes. What does this activity tell you about characteristics of synthetic fiber? Children, tell me which fiber gets dry quickly in the air or in the sun. Synthetic fiber absorb less water than the natural fiber and they take less time to dry. Next, another topic is plastics. It is also a polymer like synthetic fiber. All the plastic do not have same type of arrangement of units. In some, we will show in this figure, it is linear, one by one linking takes place, and others it is cross-linked, that is they are cross-linked by a chain and they form closed type of chain, that is known as cross-linked arrangement of polymer. Thank you.